Your windows are more than just a way to see the outside world. They play a crucial role in your home's comfort, security, and energy efficiency. In Dallas, where the temperatures can fluctuate dramatically from the scorching heat of summer to the chilly winters, maintaining your windows is essential to keeping your home comfortable and efficient year-round. Over time, windows can wear down, and if they are not properly maintained, they may become a source of frustration. Knowing the signs that it's time for a window replacement can help you avoid costly repairs, reduce energy bills, and enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. Here are the top signs that indicate you might need a window replacement in your Dallas home. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacement is the presence of drafts or noticeable air leaks around the frames. In Dallas, where summer temperatures can soar to well over 100 degrees Fahrenheit and winters can get chilly, the last thing you want is conditioned air escaping from your home. If you feel a draft near your windows, it could mean that the seals around your window have worn out, or the window frames have started to crack or warp. This issue can lead to higher energy costs, as your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain the desired temperature inside. If you notice your energy bills climbing without explanation, check your windows for drafts as part of your investigation. Condensation between glass pane. Seeing condensation between the glass panes of a double or triple paned window is a clear indication that the seal has failed. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed with multiple layers of glass, and the space between the panes often contains gas to help with insulation. When the seal is compromised, moisture can accumulate between the glass layers, making it difficult to see clearly and reducing the insulating properties of the window. If you notice fogging or water between your window panes, it's a sign that your windows are no longer functioning as they should and should be replaced to restore clarity and energy efficiency. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If your windows are difficult to open, close, or lock properly, it's a red flag that the window hardware or frame may be warped or damaged. Windows that stick, jam, or do not seal properly pose a security risk. Not only are they more susceptible to forced entry, but they can also let in moisture and pests, leading to further damage to your home. In Dallas, where severe weather events such as thunderstorms can occur, ensuring your windows open and close smoothly is essential for safety and convenience. If your windows no longer function well, it may be time for a replacement. Visible damage or rotting. The appearance of your windows is another strong indicator of their condition. If you notice visible damage such as cracks, chips, or warping in the frames or sashes, this may be a sign that the window is deteriorating. Wooden windows, in particular, are prone to rotting, especially in areas with high humidity or if the windows haven't been properly maintained. In addition to visual damage, if your window frames feel soft or crumbly when touched, this is a definite sign of wood rot, which can compromise the structural integrity of the window and allow water to enter your home. Outside noise is audible inside. Windows are designed not only to allow you to see outside but also to provide a sound barrier between your home and the world. If you start noticing that external noises, such as traffic, construction, or loud neighbors, are more noticeable inside your home, it could indicate that your windows are no longer offering the level of sound insulation they once did. Old or damaged windows may have gaps or cracks that allow noise to seep in. If you live in a busy Dallas neighborhood or near a highway, replacing old windows with newer, soundproof models can help create a more peaceful living space. Higher energy bills. If you notice a steady increase in your energy bills, your windows could be the culprit. Older windows, especially single-pane windows, tend to have poor insulation properties, which means heat escapes during the winter and enters during the summer. This makes your heating and cooling system work harder, leading to higher energy costs. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can help you cut down on your energy bills and improve the comfort of your home. Newer windows are equipped with advanced insulation technologies such as low-E coatings and argon gas fills, which provide better thermal regulation and reduce heat transfer. Chipping or peeling paint. If you have wooden windows, chipped, cracked, or peeling paint is another sign that the window may be in need of replacement. When the paint begins to deteriorate, it can lead to more severe issues, such as water infiltration and wood rot. While it's possible to repaint wooden windows, persistent paint damage can indicate that the windows are nearing the end of their lifespan. Unattractive curb appeal windows contribute significantly to the overall curb appeal of your home. Over time, the style, color, or condition of your windows may become outdated or worn, making your home look less attractive. If you're planning to sell your Dallas home, replacing old or damaged windows can boost its appearance and increase its market value. Modern windows not only enhance the look of your home but also offer better energy performance, which will appeal to potential buyers. Conclusion. Windows play a critical role in the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your Dallas home. If you've noticed any of the above signs, it's time to consider a window replacement. Investing in new windows can not only enhance the look of your home but also reduce energy costs, improve comfort, and increase property value. Consult with a professional window installer to assess your needs and choose the best windows for your home, ensuring that your space remains efficient, secure, and beautiful for years to come.